So I am back. As the title of the video says, that today we are visiting the Barberville Falls and Preserve. If that sounds interesting and you want to stay connected and stay tuned, keep on watching. So Barberville Falls, there are a few things you have to keep in mind before you visit the falls. One of that is that you have to respect the properties around the falls because those are the private properties. There were few complaints from the neighbors saying that people who are visiting the falls are not respecting the properties and going through their yards and not going away even after requested to leave. So we have to respect the place, we have to respect the people around. Hello everyone, so today we are here at Barberville Preserve. Today we will explore these falls. Today is a beautiful day. It's a little warm, but it would be fun. We are here, so let's go together. We'll follow this green line as well as the tags on the trees for the trail. So this is down there where we will go. So keep watching. The stairs are not so stable. It doesn't look stable, but it's really steep. What do you think? Emblematic of the area's natural treasures. The 140-acre Barberville Falls Preserve features an excellent and healthy example of a hemlock northern hardwood forest. So after 10 minutes of hiking, I'm going down from the main parking area here. Oh, it was a little hard. to catch my breath. But I'm going down there. It's right behind me. So keep on going. So the key is to keep yourself hydrated. It's free for its invasive species and home to spring, ephemeral wildflowers and diverse wildlife. Above the falls, the Peston Kill drains about 35 square miles of Rensselaer Plateau, an area from Dyken Pond on the north to Debreton on the south. The stream flows down this dramatic waterfall and then passes through a deep gorge. So if you are planning to visit Barberville Falls, the timings are different every day, not during the week as well as on the weekends. You can find the details and timing in the description box. I will add the link for their website. But if you are planning for the weekend, it is usually open from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. for public. But the federal holidays and public holidays may affect the timing. So please confirm, do check it before you visit the place. So what to expect when you go to the trails? There's much to do when you plan out. So you have to plan out for your parking because there are some trail improvement and safety and security for the visitors. So please stay tuned for their news regarding the next step for the improvement as well as the safety for the visitors. They also accept recommendations and suggestions. So if you have any suggestion or recommendation regarding the place or to improve that area for the visitors, you are more than welcome to contact the board members through email or through their website. is the falls. I am going back. As you can see, I have to go all the way from here and to the other side. I hope you have enjoyed the video, but I would say this place definitely worth checking out. So if you plan, please do come visit. Respect the place, respect the area, respect each other. Please do not judge anyone, and take care of yourself as well as the place. So that's all for today. That's bring us to the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching. This is all for today. It was an intense but a wonderful experience. Whenever you plan for hiking, do not forget your water. It was beautiful. If you like the video and want to stay connected, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace. Bye bye.